everyone, my name is Andre Jared and today we are going to make beef sinigang. So let's start with the ingredients. So we have 1.5 kilos of beef ribs, 3 red tomatoes, the 1.5 onions, chili fingers. The finger chilies for there, but this one, the bunch of kangkong leaves, and the star of the ingredients, the North Sinigang Sampalok mix. The most important ingredient, the water, 2 liters water. So now, let the cooking begin. Now let's wait for the water to boil before we put our beef ribs. Now the water is bubbling, now we can slowly put our beef ribs in. Now let's slowly put the beef ribs in. All the way down, like that. Then get more. Okay. I'm trying to get this up. Okay. Then we put this one in there. Now we have put the beef ribs in. So we'll just wait for 30 minutes and check on it after. Okay, now 5 minutes has passed and there you can see black scums floating, so let's try to remove it. So now we're slowly removing the scums. It's sizzling a bit, so let's try continuing to get it out. Then we are going to take this out, all of it. So now let's cover it and let it simmer for 15 minutes. So now let's start adding our North Sinigang mix. Now let's start putting the onions into the pot. Slowly put the onions in. There. Get in there. All of them in. 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 Next, let's start putting our tomatoes in. Oh wait, I forgot this one. Next, let's put our finger chilies in the pot. Now let's cover the pot and let it simmer for another 20 minutes. So now let's add our final ingredient, the kangkong leaves. Now let's stir our kangkong for a little and cover it for another 5 minutes. Now we're almost done. Let's just simmer and leave our kangkong there to cook for 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
So here's our finished product. Now let's try it. Nice. I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye! Happy tummy! It tastes so good! Now we will slowly put the beef ribs in. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Put them in. Put it like in. I'm scared. I can't. Oh my god, no, I'm scared. I'm too scared.